Hello everybody, and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. On today's episode, we're going to make a drink called Naked and Famous. Yes, Naked and Famous. And if you know me, I'm always half naked on the internet with my shirt off. So, this is an interesting drink because I finally found some Yellow Chartreuse. Right, this stuff is not easy to find. I had to order on the internet. The place was called Wine Cavalier or something like that. I don't remember. But finally got it. I got some green in the store I found before. So now I can open up and make some more drinks. I advise you just order on the internet. You're not going to find it anyplace else. It's hard. It's very, very, very hard to find. Okay, so the Naked and Famous is an equal parts drink cocktail, right? Which uses mezcal, right? Which the smokiness of the mezcal is supposed to like help cut through your liqueurs, right? Because each one of these is very pronounced in flavor, right? So first things first, like I said, it's an equal part cocktail. So we're going to go 3/4 of an ounce of some mezcal, just 3/4. Next, the same. We're going to go 3/4 of some Aperol. Just 3/4. Next, we're going to go 3/4 of our Yellow Chartreuse. Very hard to find yellow Chartreuse, which is actually a little, it's not as strong as the green, alcohol percentage wise. It's only at 43%. I think the green is like 50 something. But anyway, so next we're going to go 3/4 of an ounce of some freshly squeezed lime juice off my trees in the backyard. I just freshly squeezed it for you guys. Well, we're going to add a little ice. Give this a good stir to mix and chill. You can smell that mezcal. I do look forward into making more and more drinks with mezcal because I kind of like it a lot, maybe because of the smokiness. Get us a nice fine coupe glass and a strainer. And there you have it, a Naked and Famous. Let's see how good it is. Everything pairs really well together. You taste everything slightly, right? The back, you can taste that smokiness of the mezcal. The Yellow Chartreuse, it shines the lime, fresh lime juice. I want to make this more famous. Anyway, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time. Cheers.